Welcome back. Just wanted to give a quick update on the CLK500. Since the last video I put out there where I talked about oversizing the tires and putting wheel spacers, adapters on the rear of the car, I've done a couple of other small mods since then, two specifically. The first mod I did was I installed professionally a multimedia kit for this particular model, which had a very small, the entry-level stereo system made by Mercedes, which is, well, quite frankly, quite awful. So this system here made a huge improvement. I only left the stock speakers, and it sounds, I would say, 8 to 10 times better than it did in its stock form. Secondly, I installed a spoiler, a lip spoiler, on the back of the car. Now, I took a chance and I bought that off eBay. I had no idea what I was getting into, but when I received the spoiler, it came well, packaged up, came with its own double-sided sticky tape, as you can see here. And basically what I did is I followed the instructions, which there was none. So I went to a YouTube video and really just did it myself within about 10 or 15 minutes. The most difficult part was to get the backing off of the one side of the tape. That was, quite frankly, very difficult. But once I got that off, stuck it down, then the nerve-wracking thing to do after that was to run it through a touch car wash and see if it would survive, see if it would stay on there. I left it on for 24 hours before I actually ran it through a car wash. So those are the two mods. Just a quick update on the drivetrain itself. 5-liter V8, 5-speed bulletproof transmission in these Mercedes. And there's been no problems whatsoever. I just did all the fluids. We're into November here in the Pacific Northwest, so it's getting kind of chilly. And heater works well. Everything's working well. Runs like a top. 202,000 kilometers on it right now, which is about 120,000 miles. So drivetrain-wise, it's as durable as the reputation states, and as other people on YouTube and otherwise have stated, this is one of the most reliable drivetrains you can get. The next video I'm going to show you my E500, and but until then, I wish you a happy day, and I'll see you. Oh, by the way, this marks about 24 months since I've owned the car, so it's kind of like a 2-year quickie update. But I'll be back, say, I don't know, 6 months to give a full update, unless something happens between now and then, which I'll post here. So anyway, have a great day wherever you are, and I'll see you next time.